Good afternoon. I thought today we'd do a little bit different on True News and Opinion. We're going to do an unboxing because I know inflation's hitting everybody hard. Electric bills are going up. You're keeping the whole house heated. If you want an opportunity to close off some rooms and maybe only heat the room you're in, maybe a space heater is what you need. I'm going to do a quick review of a small one, inexpensive one, and I'll open it up and we'll see what it'll do. Here it is, the Pelonis fan forced heater in the box, brand new. Let's open it up and see what we've got in here. Owner's manual, and we probably don't need that. Power cord. You can get this open here. There we go. It's just a little small one. Let's see. Let's look at this. We'll look at this real quick. So we're going to see the specs on this thing here. It is let's see, I got it right here. Power. It's 600 watt, 900 watt, or 1500 watt. The reason I went with this one also because it does as low as 600 watts. If there was a power failure, I can actually run this off my tiny little 900 watt generator that I've got. So that's another plus. I can get a little bit of heat if the power goes out. But generally, if I want to close off a room or two and maybe just heat one room, I think this might just do the trick. Keep a little heat in the bedroom at night. This may be the one that I want to go with. Let me put this box back together. Alright, it's got an off, fan only, 1, 2, 3 speeds. It's got a thermostat on it. You can set the temperature to come on and off whenever you want, whatever the temperature you're going for. Let's get this cord undone. I'm going to stretch it out. And we're going to see what it will do. Got a plug right down here. Get this unplugged. Plug this in right here. Alright, there the light comes on. Thanks. Yep, the fan is on. Let's set that thermostat up. It's blowing pretty good. You can see how good it's blowing there, not too bad. Getting up the speed. Let's turn on some heat. Yeah, you move it and it does. It goes off real easy. Got a kill switch on it. Putting out some pretty good heat. It's not super warm, but it'll take the chill out. Put it up on 2. This is a 900 watts. See, it's blowing a little bit right there. I think it just has a one speed fan, so you're not going to get any more speeds out of the fan. But it's putting out some heat. That's pretty decent. Let's go to 1500 watt. Yeah, that's putting out some decent heat. I think it's going to work fine for keeping the chill out at night. It would be great, under your desk in the bedroom while you're sleeping at night in case you don't want the chill to get to you and keep the chill out and keep you from running your central heat, burning gas or electricity for the whole house. I think this would be a good deal. It seems to work fine. I'll keep you updated if I have any issues with it. We'll see how it goes. But so far, to this point, it works very well. Let's try the thermostat here. Yep, kicked right off. Very nice. Alright, let's turn it off. Okay, well I think that was a good test there. And I'm going to run it for a couple of weeks, maybe through the winter, and we'll look at it later on. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe if this is something you would like to share with other people. Thank you.